I'm at the famous Jakob Bengel factory in idar-oberstein, Germany. It was famous for two reasons. Jakob Bengel came up with the chain-making machine, and in the 1930s, this factory made most of the Art Deco jewelry. I'm going to have two parts to this video. One where I'll be talking about the chain making, and in the next, I'll be talking about the Art Deco. Let's go in. Back in the 1870s, everyone had pocket watches. It's like the smartphone today. But what everybody wanted with them was a chain. But they were very expensive because they were all handmade by jewelers and made out of silver or gold. So that's when Jakob Bengel came up with the idea that if you can machine make it in cheaper materials, you can make a lot of it for a much lower price. When Jakob Bengel first got the idea, he started looking at sewing machines and combined it with how jewelers would put the pieces together. And this was one of his very early machines, and it can make chains like this. This was one of the later designs, and now it was run by a motor. And just by tweaking some of the different things, you can make all sorts of different sizes of chains. And it could make over a meter a minute. Here's some of the different sizes and styles of chains. These are the original chain making machines. They're all hooked up to one motor, and only 3 men would need to be in here at one point, and each one could be set up to make a different chain. The chain would be made in the machines and then fall into these buckets, which would spin, so they would be laid out evenly. This factory is no longer in use. It's what they call an industrial monument.
But every machine, what they need? An on-off switch, right? This is the on-off switch. See, now the machine is running. This machine is older than 100 years and still working.
They began to make more complicated chains. These ones have many layers interlocking. Eventually, after making so many different types of chains, they decided to transition to more jewelry making. And in the 1930s, it morphed into the Art Deco style. Watch my next video to learn more about the Art Deco style. Bye!